Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through the white label device management inside of Reviewly.ai. This upgraded dashboard gives you powerful control over devices connected to client locations under your agency, plus access to wholesale product bundles you can leverage for direct sales, onboarding, and review optimization. These devices aren't just accessories, they are yes magnets. Whether you use them as foot-in-the-door strategy, an upsell opportunity, or to reinforce existing subscriptions, they unlock more customer reviews and pair perfectly with our AI-assisted response system. That means business owners can manage reviews right from their mobile phones, wherever they are. So now, we need to acquire these white label devices. As an agency, you would go to shop.reviewly.ai. Here you can purchase these white label products, including plates, stickers, and NFC-enabled cards. They will all come unbranded, sold at wholesale rates, exclusively to you, our agency partners. We'll ship them directly to you, never to your clients. Once you have the devices, here are your options for handing off to your clients. The client can activate the device themselves. You send or hand them the device, they scan or tap it, then they will log in using their credentials, and then it will connect automatically to their account. The recommended way is that you scan or tap the device first, using your mobile phone or PC to pre-configure it inside your dashboard. Then, once it's configured, hand it off to the client ready to go. So let's walk through the process. From your mobile phone, you'll set up or tap the device. This will launch the unbranded device registration page. You'll see the Get More 5-star Google Reviews headline. You'll see fields for email and password. This will be the information for your Reviewly.ai agency account. Once you put your information in, tap Register. It will log you into your agency dashboard. Then, you will select the client location to assign the device. Click Confirm, and now the device is officially connected. You'll also see on the locations that the device count goes from 0 to 1. Using your phone or mobile device is the preferred way for you to set up these devices. However, you can set up the device in your desktop view. When logged into your dashboard, click on the Devices tab. Next, you click on the Assign New Devices button. Then you'll have a box pop up. You can put the name of the device. Then you can put the encrypted ID of the device or use your web camera to scan the QR code. Next, you can select the location you like it to go to and the review URL, which would be your business name on Google. Once you have everything filled out, click Assign Device. Let's show you how to manage the white label devices with your desktop. Here you'll see all the devices attached to your agency account. Make sure you refresh your browser to see any newly connected devices that have been added. On this dashboard, you can also see the device code, the device name, the review URL that it's attached to, what device type it is, how many scans it's had so far, and the locations that can be assigned to. On the far right, you have 2 actions that you can use to modify this device. The first one is you can edit the device. You can change the name, change the redirect URL, and the address, and click Update Device. Also, you have a red button that you can reset the device. You can reset the scan counts, or you can reset the entire device. Just note that if you decide to reset the entire device, all data will be deleted, and this cannot be undone. Once a device is connected to your client's dashboard, this will unlock a new tab called Scans, previously hidden until device activation. On this new tab, when you click on it, you'll see all devices assigned under that location, a carousel for navigating multiple devices, scan totals and scan sources, a comparison of Google reviews versus device usage, options to copy, test, or edit the redirect links, and the ability to deactivate or remove devices as needed. You now have the power to pre-configure a device before a sales visit. You can let prospects scan and see it live, collect payment on the spot, delete and reassign devices as needed, bundle hardware with a subscription or sell them standalone, and of course, accept payments via Stripe, cash, or manual entry. These aren't just generic QR codes. They are dynamic, branded yes magnets tied directly into your agency platform. This is your opportunity to turn a product into a conversion tool, an upsell, or a standalone add-on. Whether you're selling software, review devices, or hardware, Reviewly.ai's white label device management is working gangbusters for us. And it will for you too. Thank you for watching, and if you need further assistance, have questions, or want to explore advanced strategies, our team is here for you. You can reach out anytime to support@Reviewly.ai.